Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of running powerful language models right onto your own computer. No cloud access required. Imagine building an AI application, but you are stuck relying on expensive cloud services. That's where things get frustrating. And the solution for this problem is Ollama. Yes, Ollama, a game changer that lets you run different language models locally. Think of it as a personal AI playground, all on your own hardware. Now let's explore why Ollama is awesome. Number 1. Freedom and control. Ditch the cloud dependence. Run AI models directly on your machine. Number 2. Offline power. No internet connection? No problem. Downloaded models work seamlessly offline. Number 3. Open source fun. Explore a variety of open source language models. Perfect for experimentation and learning. It's surprisingly easy to get started. Just open your browser and type Ollama in your search engine and press enter. And you will find Ollama website in the search result, which is in my case on top of the search result. Let's click on this link to open this website. Okay, this is Ollama website. And now just click on this download button. And from this page, choose your OS and then click this download button. And it will start downloading in your computer right away. Okay, once the download is complete, then run the downloaded file to install it. It will take a few minutes to install. Okay, as we can see, it is installed. Now click this prompt to run the installed Ollama in your terminal. Now let's put Ollama to test. We'll use a powerful open source model called Llama 2. To run it, simply type Ollama run Llama 2. Ollama will automatically download the model and get it running in the background. Once downloaded, you can interact with Llama 2 directly. Ask it questions, give it prompts, and see how it responds. Here's an example. I'll ask it, "Hi, please introduce yourself." Wow, isn't that impressive? Llama 2 provided a detailed answer about its introduction, completely offline. Now ask it one more question and see how it responds. Please provide me the list of the things you can help me with. Wow, this is really outstanding. Okay, on the models page of this Ollama website, we have many other models as well. And we can try any of these. Let's try Mistral. And to try that, just right click on the Windows icon in the taskbar and click Windows PowerShell to run our terminal. And then just type Ollama run Mistral and press enter, and you can see it will start downloading. And after the complete download, we can start using it the same way we used the other model. Ollama empowers you to explore the world of AI firsthand. It's perfect for developers, students, and anyone curious about the future of language models. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner AI creator with Ollama. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more information about Ollama. And if you liked the video, then please do not forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this in the future. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and if you would like to see more videos exploring different AI tools. Thank you so much for your time. Take care and bye bye.